Hello, this is Michael from Boomi. In today's video, we'll explore the behavior of stop shapes in complex processes involving nested try-catch shapes in branching logic. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot and optimize your designs. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll cover today. Understanding how stop shapes behave in branching paths, exploring the challenges of nested try-catch shapes, troubleshooting techniques for unexpected process behavior, and best practices for designing robust and predictable processes. First, let's understand the issue. In Boomi, stop shapes operate on a per document basis, halting only the documents passing through them. However, in processes with nested try-catch structures or parallel branches, other branches or documents can continue processing even when a stop shape is triggered. This can result in unexpected behavior where the logs show a stop shape executing, but other downstream steps still occur in unaffected branches. This happens because of the isolated execution context created by nested try-catch structures. Now let's examine how stop shapes behave. Stop shapes act only on the documents to pass through them, not on the entire process. The behavior also depends on the configuration. If set to stop and return, the branch halts and control is returned. If set to stop and continue, other branches can continue running. It's essential to configure stop shapes carefully to achieve the desired behavior in your process. Nesting try-catch shapes adds another layer of complexity. Each nested try-catch creates an isolated execution context, meaning that the stop shapes in one block don't impact other flows. As a result, even if a stop shape halts one path, other branches may continue processing, leading to unexpected outcomes. We'll address this complexity in our best practices. Here are some best practices to avoid common pitfalls. Simplify your process design by minimizing deeply nested try-catch shapes. Consolidate branches into a shared endpoint to gain better control. Use stop shapes carefully. Stop and return halt specific branches, while exception shapes can trigger a global halt. Align error handling with your goals. Decide if you need per branch or global termination and design accordingly. Example of an improved process design. In this example, parallel branches converge to a shared endpoint, making it easier to control execution. An execution shape is used to enforce global halts if needed. This approach ensures predictability and consistent behavior, reducing unexpected outcomes. And that's it. By understanding how stop shapes and nested try-catch structures work, you can design more robust and predictable Boomi processes. Thank you for watching and don't hesitate to explore additional resources or reach out to Boomi support for further guidance. Have a great day.